Welcome to the Chocolate Cream Biscuit Factory, where delicious biscuits are made with care, precision, and modern technology.
Powerful mixers combine every ingredient into a perfectly smooth chocolate dough. Powerful mixers combine every ingredient into a perfectly smooth chocolate dough.
The dough must have the perfect thickness before shaping.
Precision cutting machines create identical biscuit shapes with incredible speed.
The baking temperature is carefully controlled to create the perfect crunch.
Cooling prepares the biscuits for the next important step.
Each biscuit receives the perfect amount of delicious chocolate cream. Advanced robotics assemble every biscuit with perfect accuracy.
Only biscuits that meet our highest standards continue to packaging.
The packaging process protects freshness and ensures every biscuit reaches customers in perfect condition. Every carton is carefully packed and prepared for delivery. Finished products are safely stored before being shipped across the country. Every day, thousands of families enjoy our chocolate cream biscuits.
From carefully selected ingredients to your family table, every chocolate cream biscuit is made with quality, passion, and love. Thank you for watching.